Good morning students. Welcome to Physics World. In the last class we have been discussed about what is physics. In today's class we are going to discuss about what are the basic units of measurement. Basic units of measurement. Why this basic unit of measurement is important? We will discuss now briefly, and we are going to see what are the different units are there and what are the names are there one by one. So basic units of measurement. If I ask you what is unit, first of all, what is unit? Unit nothing but it is a standard. In physics, without unit you cannot able to measure anything. If you want to measure the length, mass, time, compulsory what required, that is a unit. So unit, it is a standard. It is a standard. It is a standard used for measurement. It is a standard used for measurement. Example, I have an iron rod. I have this iron rod. And I am saying to one boy, can you able to measure the length of this rod? He can able to measure the length of this rod maybe in meters, maybe in centimeters, or maybe in millimeter. So what are these meter, centimeter, millimeter? These are the unit. With the help of instrument only, maybe he can measure in meter, in centimeter, or in millimeter. In a similar way, if there is one point and you want to know what is the mass of this ball, and that mass you can able to measure in kg or in gram or in ohm. So here in this case we are talking about length. You want to measure the length, here you want to measure the mass. So here you have to understand that why we are talking about length, why we are talking about the mass, and what is the system behind that, and how to implement the system in our daily life, and what are the names of that system, and what is the full form. Everything we will discuss now little bit briefly in this concept. So now, after getting the idea what is unit, so unit is a standard. How can we say unit is a standard? If I ask you what is the distance from your home to your friend's house, you will say 2 kilometers. Why you never say 2? You went to the market from beginning 5 kgs of tomato. You will say I want 5 tomato. That kg, that kilometer, see how much is making the number more valuable by adding that unit. When the unit is attached with the number, the value will be increasing, because here in physics compulsory a number should be attached with the unit, then only it will become more valuable. Okay, let us see that what are the system of units are there. System of units. So there are total 4 system of units are there. What is that? MKS, CGS, FPS and SI system. But in today's class we are going to discuss about CGS and MKS. So what is MKS? MKS is nothing but what? M for meter, K for kilogram and S for second. These are full form of MKS. Meter. Meter means we know. We can calculate the meter length. Kilogram, nothing but mass of any object. Second means that is the time. When you talk about length, the meter in short I can write as small, represent with small letter m. The symbol of kilogram I can represent with kg, and the second I will represent with s. So this is the system which I wrote, MKS. With the help of this system you can able to write the unit of any physical quantity. So now if I am writing about what is CGS, centimeter gram second. Centimeter gram second. So what is centimeter? Once again, this is the length of the object. Gram means nothing but the mass. Second is nothing but the time. In the shortcut, the symbol we can write centimeter means Cn, gram means small g, second means s. If I say you what is the, if I ask you, write down the unit of length. Length. Direct you can write unit of length. Direct. I say you, please write down in MKS and in CGS. According to MKS and according to CGS. Unit of length I want. Unit of length I want. So that is meter. Length nothing but in meter. So I can represent with small m. Here length is centimeter. I am talking about length now. That is cm. If I say you write down the unit of mass with MKS and CGS, how will you write? Directly go for mass kg. Directly go with CGS grams. If I say you write down the unit of time, once again make a small table and write down here only. MKS and CGS. Second, we are talking about time. Second. Here also second, here also second. So this is for length, mass, time. Here we are writing directly because they are fundamental quantity. But if I say you write about unit of speed, how you write? You know the formula of speed. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Very good. So CGS, MKS and CGS. With the help of these two systems, we should write the unit of speed. So distance will calculate. Distance is nothing but length. Yes, length by time is nothing but second. Here. So what is the length? We are writing for MKS, meter. Meter by second. Here length centimeter by second. So like that we wrote what is the unit of speed. See how much easy it is. If I say you write down the unit of force, how will you write force? Force is nothing but what? Study my times. Force is equal to mv. Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. So mass directly we can write in kg. Okay, directly we want to write for MKS and CGS. Right. So m is nothing but kg. Kg dash. Acceleration nothing but you know very what the form of acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity by time. Remember what is velocity? Displacement by time. Okay? You can write a is equal to v by t and d is nothing but s by t. What do you get? S by t by t. So that we can say that s by t square. S is nothing but the length. Length is nothing but meter. Time is second. Meter per second square. Similarly, if you are writing for CGS, that is centimeter. You are writing for CGS. For MKS, you wrote kg meter per second square. So here the mass is in grams. Grams centimeter per second square. It's so easy to write about force. So in a similar way, we will discuss some more. It's so easy to write. Just you should know the system. It's so easy to write. This is a chart which I gave you. This is a hint for you to write how to write down that unit. How to write the unit of momentum. Momentum in MKS, in CGS. Okay, for momentum. What the formula of momentum? Momentum means P is equal to mv, mass into velocity. Mass means directly you can write kg. We are talking about MKS. Velocity you know very well. What is that? Velocity. Displacement by time. So what is displacement? Displacement will take in length. Length by time is second. So what is length? Meter. Meter by time is second. So here you can write kg dash meter per second. For CGS unit, if you write in the place of kg, you should write gram directly. Gram dash. In the place of meter, writing centimeter. Centimeter per second. So it's so easy for you how to write. Just the formula you should remember. Momentum P is equal to mass into velocity. Mass directly you are writing, that is kg. Velocity is nothing but displacement by time. Displacement length. Length is nothing but meter. And the time is nothing but second. So similarly, I give some examples. You should write down. And after writing, just you mention in the comment box your answer. Go for acceleration. go for distance, go for displacement, go for density. So these are the 4 examples which you have to write. And thank you for watching this video, the small concept, basic unit of measurement. Maybe you got the idea how to write this unit of measurement. How I mentioned this chart is so much important here. Okay, about the 2 systems we have discussed in today's class. One is MKS system and one is CGS system.